cat.
Tot wasn't me, it was Alba cat. Shape or dead.
No dark Emily cat, that wasn't Alba cat, it was you. And stop farting at the dinner table, because it's rude, and it's not funny. And if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
I agree wrth o'r father, so stop lying about it. The guy said it's not funny, it's read. And if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Månad, I malvais bang på lite at dine table.
I knuares poetia.
We are so glad you are always being polite. Our sweet princess.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Dark Emily cat, sai excuse me when you beer pat the dinner table. Dark Emily cat, stop it no. It's not funny, so sai excuse me no, and I mean it.
Excuse Alba cat.
Hey. Dark Emily cat, stop it. Mom did not ask you to say excuse me. She asked you to say excuse yourself.
Dark Emily cat, I told you to say excuse me, not excuse Alba cat.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Mi dag kone, vil jo prate min jo emanesh.
The dark Emily cat, when you start burping at the dinner table, say excuse me. So, mind your manners. You know what, dark Emily cat? That's it. I can't take it anymore. Go to your room right now.
Oh, call you stupid. Ugly by them månad.
Did Dark Emily cat just say a bad word? Yes, Aliana cat. I think she said a bad word.
Oh. Dark Emily cat, how could you use that kind of language? You are the years old and you should never say any of these words at all because it's a bad word.
And that can do vlangiage is inappropriate toys at oirage. No got to oirum rig no, and we mean it.
Wow.